Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project, Advanced Alcohol Detector, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project helps in preventing accidents on the road resulting from alcohol impairment. The objective of this project is to detect if the driver is drunk above a certain threshold and alert the passenger by blowing the buzzer and turning on the LED. An OLED display is also used in this project to display the speed of the vehicle. The project can be extended by adding the functionality of sending an alerting email to the user if the driver is drunk and driving, or the speed of the vehicle is above a certain preset limit. The components used to develop this project are an Arduino UNO board over which the code will run, a MQ3 sensor to detect the alcohol level, an OLED display to display the speed of the vehicle, an LED and a buzzer for alerting signal. You can also use the Neo 6M GPS module if you want to send an alert on the email of the user. Apart from this, the breadboard and some jumper wires are used. Let us see the demonstration of this project. We are using this sanitizer for demonstration purposes as it has alcohol content. I will drop a few drops near the sensor and power up the circuit. The LED is glowing and a buzzer is blowing on detecting alcohol. The OLED display is displaying some random speed. You have to include a speedometer in this circuit if you want to get the exact speed of the vehicle on which you are riding. Interested in developing your own alcohol detector project? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.